It's Monday the 7th of April. We're looking at a weekly chart of the Emini S&P. Not really telling us an awful lot. We haven't really gone anywhere in the last few weeks. As you can see, we've just been hovering on a weekly level, at least up around these previous all-time highs. Friday we did make a new all-time high, 1892.5, but we spiked up and then really came all the way back, closing almost unchanged for the week. So that's not the most positive signal you would have hoped for in a bull trend. Friday's daily candle again, very negative. We made a new all-time high, couldn't hold it, collapsed, really taking out the last three, almost the last four sessions in one go, closed significantly lower. So that's a really very negative key reversal candle there. And when you consider how overbought we are, you've got to start to wonder whether that is something that's signalling the end of the bull run now. If I scrunch this chart up a little bit, you'll see we've just been testing this upper trend line, which goes back to the 22nd of May last year. So quite a long-term trend line really that we're failing at. Just trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together and figure out if this is something that's going to send us significantly lower now. You can see we've got initial short-term, or daily at least, fib support around the 1854 area. We've just blipped below, a little bit below there this morning, but we are starting to recover. So the short-term chart, I'll show you here. We've really got to regain 1856 quite quickly, otherwise pressure is going to remain to the downside, and we've got obvious fib areas of 1846. We've got some support at 1838, and then we've got last week's low around 1834. Sorry, that's the 2-week low at 1834. You can see that from the daily chart. And then we've got more support around 1832, 1831. So I guess what I'm saying is if we can't get back above the mid 1855 area this week, we could start heading towards the low 1830 area. Today we're getting a bit oversold short term, so there is a hope we can recover that mid 1850 area, head up to the low 1860s. I think if we were to get as far as 1878 at the start of this week, that would be a really nice selling opportunity, because I'm concerned that we have topped out now in the S&P.